how to get logged into UHS Employee account. Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In today's video, we will learn how we can get logged into UHS Employee account. Now, if this is something that you want to learn, then follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. And before we start the video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's move on without further delay. First of all, open a web browser on a PC and there search for uhs.ehr.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you search for it, you will be directly taken to the UHS employee login page. Now here, you have to type in your username. And if in case you have forgotten your username, you can recover your username by tapping on Forget Username link. And once you're done with typing in your username, tap on Next button. And once you tap on Next button, you will taken to the next page where you will be asked to enter your password. Enter your password correctly and then tap on Login button. And then you will get successfully logged into your UHS employee account. So that's how easily and quickly you can get logged into your UHS employee account. Hope you understand and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.